Really getting any shedding either, so that's good. Yeah, I'm not getting any shedding yet. Hey people, so yes, I'm very excited because I purchased a new wig from Amazon, and if you know me, you know that I am a wig girl. This is it. I haven't opened it as yet. This is the wig with my hair in the way. This is the wig, and it comes with the wig, and it comes with a wig cap. That's it. I also have the new Got2b high Insta hold hairspray, and I wanted to try it and like see if it's actually doing the thing. It says for all day controlled, fast drying, 24-hour hold, helps protect hair from drying out, no residue and no stickiness. So I'm gonna be putting that to the test today, and it's actually a big bottle. Like, it's big, but it's not, it's, I don't know, I don't remember the amount that comes in the other spray, but I was using the bedhead spray before. This is actually good as well. This doesn't have any like residue or white cast. I wanted to try it out to see which one is best, so I'm gonna do it. So this is it. It comes in a nice plastic bag, and oh, it's 8 inch. It's 8 inches. Really getting any shedding either, so that's good. Yeah, I'm not getting any shedding yet. So from this point on, I'll be doing the voiceover, and if you guys haven't watched part 1 to how I bleached the knot without bleach, please tune in. not sure you guys can see, but I kind of see a little residue. It is laying the lace good and it's kind of melting already, but I see some residue, but it does go away when I tie it down and melt it with the blow dryer. So now it's onto the bed head spray on the left side, which would be your right, and I'm just applying this the same way I did the Got2b high Insta hole spray. So now I'm just separating the pieces of hairs that I want to be my baby hair. And I don't know if I mentioned it before, but like I said, I was getting residue, which I shouldn't have gotten residue from the Got2b spray. The bedhead spray doesn't really give residue unless you interfere with it. And me combing through the hair while it's there, while it's drying, might contribute to that. But at the end of the day, it's a good spray. honestly, both these products are the same. I don't see a difference apart from the Got2b spray saying that it doesn't leave residue, but yet still I got residue, and the Got2b spray actually dries quicker than the bedhead spray. And I had this wig on for 2 days because I was sweating a lot. I was doing a lot of activities, so it began to lift. And usually when I use the bedhead spray, I get a good wear out of it. And I'm not gonna lie, I did notice that when I applied both of them, like it was stuck. It was stuck. And apart from that, I think they're both good, but I'm probably gonna stick to the bedhead spray, honestly, because it won't give me the amount of residue I got from the Got2b spray. And of course it dries quick, but the Got2b spray dries quicker, honestly. So I guess I can use either one, whichever one I'm feeling at the time. The only downside of getting the bedhead spray is that it costs $20 and the Got2b is $5. Yeah, $5. If you're looking at the cost, then TIGI high Insta hold is a better alternative to the bedhead spray. So yeah, there you go. You have the high end and the drugstore, which are basically doing the same thing. And as you can see, the lace has melted into my skin. It matches my face. And if you want to know how I got this to actually happen, I will leave the video in the cards on how I hide the knots without bleach. Now, as for this hair, it is light and flowy, and I'm really shocked that there hasn't been any shedding or anything. And this is the first time I'm actually rocking an 8-inch wig, and I actually like it. It fits my face in a way, a little. The only thing I can say is that because it's 150 density, you have to really try a lot if you want to like put some quote-unquote curls or flips or whatever in it. Probably have to use like hairspray just for it to stay. And yeah, I think that's the only con for it, honestly. The wig is good. It's a good, cheap, affordable wig. If you liked it, please show this by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to me. Comment down below if you are going to try this spray or if you've ever tried the bedhead spray, and I'll see you in my next one.